Learning Apple Motion, I noticed I okay, let me Studio Binder logo, okay, and let's play it at the same time. Maybe you can't play at the same time. Looping, this is what I created, okay, and this is okay. So let's break it down. So the outside, the circle is a colored red, like gradient. So this mine doesn't have a gradient, and just a color, just say this a red color, and their second one, white one, coming, okay, and the inside is the same. So red outline moving, and then the white one following, okay. So the inside, see that? So let's break down 3 lines inside. So 3 lines is from the top, okay, so mines, so it's not exactly the same, so this is the best I can come up with. So let me break it down in motion. So circle, you just draw a circle, okay. Maybe let's recreate it, okay. Let's just recreate it one. So now then you know how I did it. Go to circle, hold down shift and drag. Hold down shift option to okay, scale from the center, doesn't move, okay. So hold down shift option and move your mouse. Go to this is circle 1. Oh, let's have close it first, okay. Okay, I don't want to. Okay, this is a mess. Let's do it in another in a new new file, okay. Motion, whatever, okay, file, motion project, a new one, okay. Let's redo it. Go to circle, shift option, okay, inspector, outline, check outline, fill, disable fill. So make a little bit thicker, increase the width. Okay, so now this is the key, okay. See, it moves, and it moves from, it starts here, but we want it to start at the top. So let's change the rotation to 90. I don't know, you just type in 90 and see if it's correct. Okay, it's at the bottom, so let's do minus 90, okay, minus 90. Then let's test it again. Okay, that's not what we want. Maybe let's animate this, okay. So it starts at top, and let's animate it, okay. So keyframe it, hit this +1, just plus, try then move it, then increase the number, okay. So this is not what we want. Okay, we want opposite. So let's start at 100. Okay, so nothing in the beginning, then move. So we already created keyframe. We can jump to the next and the previous keyframes. Okay, so we want to change this one so to 0. Okay, play it. Okay, this is not what we want. It's writing from the another way. So I want this. So let's reset it. Reset. And let's try it again. Maybe let's try this one. This is the correct one. Okay. So keyframe it. Make sure. Okay. Place your playhead here. Maybe. You want to show everything. So 100 here. Go to the beginning of the playhead of the frame. So decrease it. Let's play it. Okay, this is what we want. Okay, so just play around with the settings, then it will make sense to you. Okay, these settings. What if you want to change the keyframing, the timing of the keyframing? Okay, you want to click here, left click, and show in keyframe editor. Okay, then move the playhead here. Okay, so we only did 2 keyframes, so you know this is the one. Okay, so it's better to just make a square selection, then drag. Okay, hold down shift to drag horizontally to restrict the vertical, so you won't move it vertically. Okay, so let's say it's too slow or too fast. That's about right. Okay, so let's change the, so it's moving in a constant speed, so I don't like that. So let's change it to ease Bezier, maybe Bezier. Okay, now it's Bezier's handle. Okay, what if I drag this? Okay, let's just play it. Oh, now it's looking better. See that? It's slowed down. Okay, it slows down. Slows down. That's what I like. Okay, it slows down. And let's change the color now. Color to I wish I could you change this to gradient. You know, so but maybe I can animate this, but it's not the same. So I don't know. Solid brush type, maybe gradient, airbrush. Can I don't know yet. Okay, does it work? No. So we figure it out later. Okay, so let's change solid now. Okay, so this is the animation we have. Okay, so now let's make a clone layer. Select circle, right click, make clone layer. Okay, so now, so the clone layer is selected. Let's move it. Okay, now we can see. Okay, we have a clone layer, but I want the clone layer to start later. Okay, now it's overlapping. They are overlapping. Let's close it down. So this is the clone layer. So make sure clone layer is selected. So let's make sure it starts later. Okay, by dragging the clone layer to the right. Okay, so now it's not happening. Why? Because the keyframe is happening here. Okay, so Let's open the keyframing. So this is the thing that, so the keyframing, when I move the clone layer, the keyframing doesn't move, okay? So the keyframe's here, but if my clone layer is here, it's already, it's already at 100%. So let's move it. Let's say, what if I don't? Okay, something's not working. Definitely. Oh, okay. The problem is that we didn't change the color. Okay, that's why we can't see nothing. So go to make sure clone layer is selected. Go to filter, color, and color. I use colorize. Okay. So okay, now we see some color. So we want a white color. Okay, so change these colors. So make sure we have the colors that we want. So okay, so it's a little bit too fast. Okay, so we don't see too much like too much effect. So let's clone layer is selected, move it to the right so it appears later. Okay, that's more like it. Okay, so I said the clone layer, the keyframing, I said it wrong. Okay, this is not a correct thing. Okay, so just okay. So the clone layer has its own keyframing. Okay, so don't worry about it. Just keep. Oh, it's too late. Okay. Too late. Move it back. Move it. Okay, about right, I think. Yeah, maybe. So I like to clone layer property. I want to change the original. See, there's no keyframing here. Clone layers, I don't see any keyframing. So I can only adjust the original keyframing. So let's say I don't like the keyframing. So make sure, try it again. Yeah, that's, I like it better, slower. But it's a little bit too slow. So, so yeah, that's just a lot like, it's still a little bit too slow, but okay. So let's leave it like that. A lot of fine tuning. Okay. So so let's say I'm okay with the result. Okay. Then let's create the inside. So the inside is a shape, Bezier shape. So it's a so for the sake of demonstration, I'll do a rough creation. So okay. So let's say this is what we want, and what if we don't like the harsh edges, harsh angles? So Bezier. So make sure Bezier is selected. Click once, or just smooth. Make everything smooth. Okay. Smooth. smooth, and this one, no. So we don't want this one to be smooth, so only the corners smooth. Okay, so let's say this is the speech bubble, speech thing box. This is what we have. This is what we created. Go to shape and fill, no fill, outline, and increase the width. Okay, and this is what we have. And let's create let's animate it. Okay, so what I want to move this the bezier to earlier, so just drag it, or just place your playhead and press I. Okay, so we can make it start a little bit later. Okay, or maybe at the same time, you know, maybe a little bit later. Yeah, okay, like this. So this is what we're gonna do. We want to animate it by rotating, like rotate it. See, let's focus on this speech box thing. The rotation, a slight rotation. Okay, slight rotation. Okay, so let's do the what you call it, do the animation, the line animation, moving animation first. So same thing, we tested. Okay, so keyframe it, so make sure the play head is at the beginning of the timeline, okay, of this selected object. So press once plus, then move to the, so let's finish it a little bit later than the circle. Let's say this is press again. Okay, then go to the beginning and 0. Okay, so let's play it. It's a little bit slow, yeah. It's a little bit slow for some reason. Okay, so but let's fine tune it. It's what if it's a little bit too slow? So let's move the let's first bezier. Okay, so easing, but then easing more, but let's move it a little bit. Okay, that's okay. That looks okay. So we need to make a clones again. Clone it. Circle. Let's group it. Okay, this is the right click, group, circle, name it. Okay, circle. So this is a speech box bubble, and clone it. Right click, clone layer. Okay, so now we let's change the original color to white. To another color. Okay, so don't matter. Green color, aqua, turquoise color. So the again, the clone layer. This is what is it? Speech bubble, yeah, speech bubble. clone speech box. So name it so we can. So this one again, I use the color filter color and colorize. Yeah. Again, I wish I can use a gradient, but anyway, maybe later. So whatever you do, just so make sure the second color is white. So now it's covered. Now it's covering the. That's only the white clone layer is showing because it's on top. Okay. And let's move the timing. Okay. Clone layer is selected, and we can just simply move it. Okay. Or we can hit I, change the in. Okay, let's play it. Oh, nothing happens. What happened? What's happening? Oh, okay. Now it happened. Okay. So it's a little bit too late, I think, yeah. Let's move it to the back. So let's play it without the. Okay, so we can just fine tune the timing. Okay, move it to the front. Okay, so it's like whatever. Okay, so it's happening too fast. So we can only change the original timing. Okay, so click it, show keyframe timing. So this is our timing. Really? Oh, speech box. Okay, so let's move to the right. Also, we can change this. Okay, drag this so we can loop the playback. Okay. Okay, so the thing is too fast. The second one, probably. So select the clone layer. Move it to the right. Move it to the right more. Yeah, it's kind of annoying, huh? Okay, so just fine tune it. Okay, so let's say we are good with what we have. Okay, so we just allow the fine tuning and animation, rotation. Okay, rotate it up, and then let's do a simple rotation. Okay, so select the circle. Okay, let's just group it first. We need to rotate. So this is okay, let's group. This is speech box. Okay, and rotate it. Rotation first. Once, so 0 is what we want, so we need to rotate from this angle, maybe let's say 14, 13, like this. Okay, so that's a kind of so rigid static. So we just add we need change the change the scale. Okay, at the same time. this one, okay? Scale. So we use a overshoot, okay? So overshoot start value is at, like, if we 0 is start from 0, okay? So make sure to play with this number. So I don't maybe this number, this is start value, okay? So I want overshoot only happens, overshoot only like out, hit out. So this is overshoot effect, okay? Play it again. Okay, it's too bouncy. Too bouncy, yeah, too bouncy. So I don't like it's too bouncy. And what we can do, go to behaviors, and let's change ramp, maybe ramp 100. Now it's not bouncy at all. So this is this one I think controls the bounciness. Okay. Not bouncy at all. Oh. Okay, what happened? What's happening? Yeah, that's about right. So again, like I don't know if I can make it exactly the same one, but you know, so yeah. Speech box, behaviors, and what about the cycle? Okay, so play with the numbers and you will get a pretty good result. So again, let's create the line. The line is the same thing. Select a group, okay? Select the speech box group, because the line inside 3 lines is inside the speech box, okay? So click here, 1 line, hit click and drag, okay? Just make it simple, just 1 line, okay? Go to the hit enter. Go to the shape. Okay, line 1, okay? Line 1. Shape. Yeah, so make sure it's the no fill, okay? No fill. So same thing, we can animate it by so where's the line? Okay, the line is here. So let's move it to the left. So again, the timing thing. So line, this one, yeah. Okay. So starts at 0, then finishes at 100. Okay. It's too slow. Okay, too slow. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe we can fix it later. So make a clone layer. Clone layer. Okay. And change the clone layer color to clone layer is selected. Filter, color, colorize. Change it to white. Okay. So make sure it's white. Now when we play it back, only white showing, because white, the clone layer is covering the original layer. So select the clone layer. Let's move it to the right. Okay, starts happening slower. Okay. So it's still a bit too slow. Let's go to line 1 and let's fix the animation shape and show in keyframe editor. Okay, so first interpolation, Bezier, let's drag it, easing. I like the easing effect. Still too slow, so let's move it to the left. Okay. So let's say this is what we have. This is what we like. Clone layer, line 1. Not layer 1, okay? So name it properly so we won't get confused. Clone, line 1, line 1. So group. So this is, close it, okay? So this is line 1, line 1, okay? So we need to, 2 more. So let's right click it and duplicate. Where is it? Duplicate. Line 1. So name it line 2. Go to property and move the XY. Okay, move the Y. So move it down and duplicate again. Line 3 and move it down. Okay, so we can change its shape slightly and change the timing. Okay, so go to line 2 and where's the timing? Where's the timing? Okay, line 2. So this is line 2. This is line 2. This is line 1. They're all happening at the same time. So we don't like that. We want the line 2 happens a little bit later. So let's move it. Line 3. Alright, let's play it. Okay. So line 3, move it back. Move it forward. I don't know. Move back. Move it to the right. Okay. Okay. So okay. So we can still fine tune it, change the shape. Let's select the line 3. Let's just change a little bit, okay? What you call it? Distort. Yeah, just change a little bit. So we don't need to do too much changing. Just change a little bit, So they won't look the same. Make this one smaller. Okay. Rotate the original one. I don't know. Yeah, so just make slight changes so they won't look the same. Okay. Yeah, we keep fine tuning it, but one more thing. The circle, go back to the circle. Okay. The circle, make sure the circle group is selected, and I want to animate the scale. So I like to scale, add a parameter and overshoot. Same thing. So start from random number, this number, okay, and play it. Too slow, okay? Why? Overshoot. So make sure the circle is selected, okay? So this is the overshoot what we're looking for. So we can name it like overshoot circle, so we don't get confused, okay? So the animation plays. So we don't want an animation play hit O, hit O. So it happens in this period, okay? So it's a little bit, still a little bit too slow, maybe. Okay, too slow. So let's shorten it, make it shorter. Okay, make shorter even. Yeah, so too bouncy. So let's change the ramp. And change the cycles to 1, 0. Oh, looks nice. Cycles 0.1. Yeah, very subtle. Okay, so it's still too bouncy. So let me overshoot. Circle less. Okay, less. Yeah, this is less. Okay, so this is the, yeah, this is our animation. This is the original one. Let's play it regular speed. Oh, this is too fast. Yeah, maybe 2 times. Okay. And let's play ours. Okay. I don't know. We can also change the rotation. Let's see. Circle, rotation. Let's change the rotation of the group. Let's see what happens. Keyframe it, then go later, rotate it this way. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's a bit weird. Reset it. Okay, reset it. Go to the beginning, rotation, keyframe. Here, rotation, I don't know, 360 about. Oh, weird, yeah, looks weird. What's the, so I don't like the, it's a little bit too static, the circle. You know, it's a little bit too static. Let's study the original one. Okay, what is in the original one? Starts same, yeah. There's no bounciness. Okay, so anyway, okay, so yeah, this is what we have. Thanks for watching. Bye.